Okay guys, let's see how we can name this organic compound. This is actually a practice exam question, and you have in front of you a ketone. Okay, in a ketone you have this functional group which is known as a carbonyl group. Okay, the functional group for a ketone is known as a carbonyl group, and it is this one. So to identify a ketone, you have to look for a carbon atom which is in between other carbon atoms, and the carbon atom is attached to an oxygen atom by a double bond. You can see that. So this is how you identify a ketone. Okay, now let's see how we can name this organic compound. Okay, to name this organic compound, you have to first identify the longest continuous carbon chain that contain the carbonyl group, this carbonyl group. So the longest continuous carbon chain can be this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see you have 5 carbon atoms this way and 5 carbon atoms this way. So let's take this one. So this is going to be our parent chain, and this is going to be our branch or the side chain. So now, to name this organic compound, you have to number your carbon atoms so that you can locate your branch and your carbonyl group. So according to the IUPAC system, you have to number in such a way that the carbonyl group is given the lowest possible number. So if I start 1, 2, 3, the carbonyl group will fall on carbon number 3. If I start 1, 2, 3, the carbonyl group is also falling on carbon number 3. So either way, the carbonyl group is falling on carbon number 3. Now, which way is the correct way? In this situation, you have something else that you have to pay attention to. It is the branch. So it is best to start this way so that the branch can be located on the lowest possible number. So this is going to be carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now you can see the branch is located on carbon number 2. So let's name this organic compound. We have to start by naming first the branch. So the branch is located on carbon number 2. So you start with 2. The branch is called a methyl group. So it is 2-methyl. And now the parent chain is made up of 5 carbon atoms. You can see. So it will be pentane like this. And then now you locate your carbonyl group, which is on carbon number 3. So it will be 3, and then you follow it by the suffix ONE. You can see the suffix in the name ketone, ONE, or you can say 1. So it is ONE. It is located on carbon number 3, the carbonyl group, and this is the functional group for a ketone. So now the full name is 2-methyl pentane 3-on. Okay, so this is the name for this organic compound. We are done with this question. Please check for other practice exam question which I'm going to post, and remember to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so that you can have these videos coming your way. As for now, we are done. See you next time and take care.